Ready to turn your Instagram into a lead-generating machine for your real estate business? First, switch to a professional account. This unlocks crucial analytics and contact options. Go to Settings, then Account, and select Switch to Professional Account. Next, optimize your bio. Clearly state your expertise, target area, and a compelling call to action, like a link to your website or a free home valuation. Keep it concise and engaging. Now, let's talk content. Ditch the blurry photos. Invest in high-quality images or even professional photography of your listings. Remember, visuals sell. Embrace virtual tour. These interactive experiences let potential buyers explore properties remotely, saving them time and boosting engagement. Don't be shy about client testimonials. Share positive feedback in eye-catching graphics or short video clips to build trust and credibility. Informative posts are key. Share market updates, home buying tips, and neighborhood guides to position yourself as a knowledgeable resource. Stay consistent. Schedule your posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Later to maintain a regular presence and avoid overwhelming yourself. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages promptly, fostering conversations and building relationships. Ask questions to encourage interaction. Track your progress. Use Instagram Insights to monitor your performance and identify what content resonates most with your audience. Adapt your strategy accordingly. That's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a captivating Instagram presence and attracting a steady stream of real estate leads.